Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Sankalp Solutions, where we learn electronics, Arduino and real world projects step by step. In today's video, we are going to learn a very simple but important output device which is buzzer, and activity name is sound generation using active buzzer. So components required for this activity are breadboard, Arduino Uno, jumper wires and a buzzer. A buzzer is an electronic sound producing device. It converts electrical signal into sound. Cable to the laptop or PC. All components are available in the Arduino starter kit. So now we will upload our code. After uploading the code, as you can see here, the buzzer is producing sound whenever the Arduino sends a signal. This is how we create alerts and audio indications in electronic systems. From this activity, you will learn that how a buzzer works, difference between active and passive buzzers, and how control a buzzer using Arduino. So if you like this video, if you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel Sankalp Solutions for more Arduino electronics and